Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, it's been so long. I think the last time I filmed was the 4th of July spread. So a few things have changed. We are now in our new house and my planner situation has also changed. As you can see, I am now using the Erin Condren hourly planner. And that's kind of been a new thing. I think I started using it like completely just full-time, like devoted to this one planner maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago. And I, for the moment, have found a lot of planner peace with it. I love planning every single second and minute and hour of my day. It gives me so much peace knowing what I have to do and what I'm going to be doing. So this planner has really been working for me when it comes to that. And I am also super excited to be using the first fall kit of 2018, and it is our fall home collection. And I just thought it was so appropriate because I am decorating for fall and spending a lot of time putting up decorations and making things to decorate for fall. It's the first time that I've really gone all out now that we're in our new house. So yeah. And as you can see, not a lot of things have changed when it comes to the sidebar. I still really like to track just habits. So like I put workout, journal, and eat healthy. And those are just a few things that I kind of want to keep track of and mark that I've done them. What else? And I'm also using a lot of this washi tape. It is part of our September subscription box, which spots are still open. And it's just so pretty, and it's so like subtly fall because it's got the fall leaves, but it's still like really bright and pink, and I totally like butchered it right here. And so I end up just pulling it off and starting over again because it's kind of like a thicker washi tape. I don't know how to describe it. Like it's more like plastic-ish than like paper. So it's a little harder to rip and it can get caught. But anyway, so yeah, the sidebar is pretty much staying the same as it usually does. I'm putting binge watch, reading, and I put another full box just because since I'm only using these 3 pages of my kit, I am not using that big sidebar box that has Monday through Sunday. And I just didn't want to print another sheet just to use that one sticker and then let the bottom washi go to waste because I don't find that I have a lot of room to use that bottom washi in the hourly, since I like to plan pretty much from 6:30 in the morning when I wake up down to the evening when we have dinner or watch TV or have anything else going on. So now that our kits, I think since we redid them, in January? Now they have 9 boxes, so I always end up with an extra one, and so this is like the perfect chance to actually use all of them. And I am putting wake up at 6:30 every day because it's something I'm gonna try really hard to start getting up at 6:30. I find that I don't feel very well when I sleep until like past 7:30, like 8 o'clock. I don't know, I feel so unproductive and my head hurts, and I don't know, it's really, really weird. And then I'm also tracking my workouts at around the same time every day. I usually go when my husband goes to work. I have him drop me off at like our little neighborhood gym, and then I just walk home because it's like a 2-minute walk, but I just have him drive me because it's so hot and muggy and gross out. And so those are a few things that happen. Like you'll see wake up, journal, and then whatever exercise that day. And I had considered, well actually no, the first week that I started using the hourly, I really didn't fill it in very much, and I was like, let me just plan as I go. But then it's like I have no structure to my day. So I really like just putting down what I need to do and then following it instead of just letting it be a free-for-all and let's see what I do and then I mark it. So that doesn't really work for me. I like to time, I don't know, prioritize my days and mark what I'm doing. So as you can see, I put this plan with me video, and for this morning, it is now almost 5 o'clock, and I should have edited right away, but since I didn't get done filming till close to noon, I just decided to start working on orders right away. And now that I have a little more time and orders are pretty much cut and packed, I am editing this video so I can put it out for y'all this evening. And I'm also working on Chiller Tuesday, which comes out tomorrow, and we have this really cute like fall, I guess it is fall because it has some fall themes to it, or like fall things. I mean, it has a mug that says fall, so yeah, I'm gonna call it fall. But foil sampler, and I'm just really excited about it. It's gonna be an exclusive thing to Dollar Tuesday. And last time that we did a little exclusive sheet like this, I did really well and you guys really liked it. So I think you're really gonna like this one too. And then from there on, Tuesday down to pretty much 5 o'clock, 5:30, I'll be working on orders as soon as I'm done working out at the gym. And I'm also putting down what I'm working on at the gym so that if when I get there and I'm like, oh my god, what do I do after doing some cardio? I just look at my planner and it's like, okay, you marked that you had this to do. And if it also kind of makes it so that if I skip a day, I don't want to skip a day because I don't want to get like back, what is that word? Like I don't want to get backed up, I guess, in my workouts. And so yeah, that's something that really helped me last week. I think I ended up working out 6 out of 7 days, which hasn't happened in a really long time. Like a really long time. And so, yeah, that's just something you'll see pretty much at 8:30 every single day. It's gym time. And I used to get up really early in the morning. I used to get up at like 5:30 and immediately get to work. And I just found that I couldn't keep that up and stay, I don't know, consistent with it. So I just decided to switch it up to 6:30, kind of wake up at the same time my husband does. And then he kind of takes forever to wake up. And that gives me about half an hour in the morning to just have time to myself and journal and do my morning routine, because now that we're living in our new home, we have, thank goodness, a big bathroom, and I can go in there and wash my face and put my lotions, and it goes straight into our master closet so I can pick out my outfit of the day. And it's just been like a really nice morning routine to have. And so Tuesday we are finally going to deep clean the kitchen. We've been here an entire month and I've done a lot of surface cleaning, but I haven't done a deep cleaning where I go and like clean the cabinets, empty out the fridge, clean that, clean the oven, all that stuff. So if you have any tips, please leave them down below, because I avoided my last kitchen. We lived in a terrible house. I avoided everything about it. I always just surface cleaned it, but everything here is brand new, so I want to keep it as clean as possible. So yes, and I put my full boxes here because I'm pretty much not going to be doing anything other than working. I might have lunch, I might take Bean for a walk, but that just varies like what time I do it. And I usually, if I have lunch, I eat at my desk and keep working, or print things, or just answer messages, anything. So I put that big box there since I know that I'm just gonna spend those hours pretty much doing what I wrote on top of it. And I kind of lost some, like I didn't know what to put here. I knew that I would still be working around that time, so I put those little pumpkins. I thought it would go so well with this spread, and I just loved our new fall deco sheets. And after that, I get to go to Detweiler's. My big grocery day is now Wednesday, because this little supermarket is an Amish supermarket and they don't open on Sundays. So I get to go on Wednesdays and pick out a lot of fresh produce and meat and fish, and oh my god, it is like my favorite thing to do, my favorite place to go. And then I started planning my Friday and Thursday before I did anything else, because I know that I have certain things planned at those times. So our neighborhood is having a pizza party at the clubhouse at, I think it was from 5 to 7. So I put it there, and that's something that we definitely want to go to. We RSVP'd, and it's been so much fun meeting our neighbors, and we met this couple that is just hilarious and can't wait to go hang out again. And the clubhouse is really, really, really nice. And then on Thursday, we have a concert, which I started writing, and I realized that the name was too long for the way that I was writing it. So I had to peel off the sticker, put it away, and start over again. But I did put the little bow back on it because this bow from Erica G Designs, I swear, they are my favorite little bow clip stickers I've ever seen. And the paper that she uses. I don't know if she switched to an only printable shop, but this paper, oh my goodness, love it. So I'm marking the Ailstorm concert. It's a lot of fun. We went to one last year or a couple years ago, I don't remember. But it's like pirate music, and so I just bought an outfit off Amazon, and I'm so excited to dress up. Last time we went, I was like, all right, I'm not gonna go full pirate because it's still a concert, like a real band. It's not like a costume thing. But then so many people were dressed as pirates, so this time I'm totally using it as an excuse to go dressed up. And I can still wake up at the same time Thursday, but I know that Friday I am going to need so much coffee to function. So that's why I put our little foiled fall mug there and all the coffee. Might even make it a Starbucks trip, although Starbucks is so far away from us now. It's like 20 minutes away now to get to the nearest one, and so my Starbucks intake has really gone down. Although I did buy a new Keurig, and I do have some Starbucks coffee that I can put in there, but it's just not the same, you guys. You guys know I love my cold brew, and I can't make the same kind of cold brew. I don't know why. It just doesn't come out the same. So if you have any tips to making really good cold brew, please let me know, because I really could use the help. And so I'm not sure that it's going to take me 2 hours to get ready, but I just put it there like kind of as a, all right, you got to stop working around this time, get ready for the concert. And then Friday is, I pretty much would have worked out all the groups that I kind of want to work out. Back, I got chest, got legs, got abs, and then some cardio. And then it's probably a good thing that I'll just do cardio. I might just even do like 15-20 minutes because I'm probably not going to be feeling my best after the concert. And then I can just kind of get to work. But I'm really trying not to miss a single day, although I think Saturdays will be my days off. Last time we went to Disney, and that's kind of a workout in itself, like one big cardio workout. But you're also eating a lot, so I don't know. But still, I'll probably take Saturday off while or maybe I'll take Sunday off, because we have the first football game of the season, which my husband's really excited about, and I'm just using it as an excuse to do a party at our new house and invite a bunch of people and cook a lot of food. So since we have that going on Sunday, and I'll probably be prepping all morning, probably won't get to work out. Although I feel like I could always get in like 15 or 20 minutes, and the gym is like a 2-minute walk, so why not just go for 10 or 15 or 20 minutes? So maybe I'll just go anyway. And I pulled out all of my football stickers for this. So I have a little football bean. I have these nachos because you know that if I don't do any dip with chips, someone's gonna bring some sort of chips. So I pulled those out. I think I ended up using a Wonton and a Million football one. Like every football sticker that I have, I kind of put out there. And this right here is my favorite. I love full boxes that have a theme that stretch out over more than one box. So I'm glad I was able to use it this morning, or for those 2 mornings. I'll probably sleep in a little bit more than 6:30, but not too much more. So that's where I think it's the best place for it. And then I figured I would do some shopping on Saturday for the party. Maybe ask a friend and see if she wants to go out, maybe get some decor, go to the dollar store and make some DIYs. Last year for the Super Bowl party, we did these mason jars that were all painted into like footballs or like grass with the little yard marks. Very, very cute. So I might do some more projects for it. And then before we have a bunch of people over, there's a few things we need to fix because we scuffed some of our walls, taking the washer and dryer up the stairs, and some of our trim. And so I think those are the two things that we need to touch up. And then we need to hang curtains and a few paintings that we bought. So definitely a few things that we need to do around the house. And then Sunday has been my favorite day to do meal prepping and planning, so definitely can't miss out on that, even though we're going to be super tired and not want to do anything after all that food. So, but definitely has to be done. And that's pretty much it for my week. Now I'm just adding a few little extra stickers here and there because I want to just use a little more of the sheets that I have. And then I have this Cricut Paper Co sheet that I pulled out to use somewhere. And I knew that I wanted to use it because I have so much foils going on. So I just put it in this box and then I ripped it and then I'm trying to put it on there. And just bear with me, please. I will get the hang of this. But these little accent foils are just my favorite, whether I buy them from her or Rose Colored Days. I pulled one of hers out too. I just didn't get a chance to use them, but they're so cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you very soon for another video. Bye!